Leading 3D printing firm Icon has revealed plans to build a dozen new residences in Austin, Texas. The homes will feature an eye-catching mix of cutting-edge 3D printing and traditional building techniques, and will have 2 levels. The project is a collaboration between Icon and Michael Su Office of Architecture, and will be located in the Mueller community in Austin. It's part of a growing number of 3D printed architecture developments in the USA at the moment, including Wolf Ranch and Community First Village. The homes will have multiple floor plans and will range in size from 650 to 2,400 square feet, with between 1 and 3 bedrooms. Pricing will start at around $350,000 and rise up to $1.3 million, depending on the size and options chosen, plus there are some affordable options planned for the near future too. Judging by the renders, the designs accentuate the hybrid nature of their construction, with the telltale ribbed lower floor highlighting the 3D printed build process. The interiors are open and spacious, as well as light-filled thanks to the generous glazing. The homes will be printed using Icon's own Vulcan model 3D printers. These will be used to construct the basic first-story shell of each residence on site by extruding a cement-like mixture out of a nozzle in layers, then human builders will come in to add the second story with traditional building techniques. Further details aren't available on this part yet, but a somewhat similar previous project by the firm used timber framing for an upper floor. Human builders will also be tasked with fitting windows, installing the doors, and everything else required to turn a concrete shell into an actual home. The homes are due to begin construction sometime this year, though we've no word yet on their expected completion date.